If you are wondering if you have to purchase a charger or power adapter for Xiaomi 17T Pro, then the answer depends on a couple of things. First of all, whether you have a power adapter inside the box or not. So I assume this is the biggest concern, if the power adapter is included inside the box. And here it is not a simple answer, simply because in some regions the power adapter is not included, like for example in Europe, but in some other countries, like for example in Southeast Asian countries, at least in some of them, the power adapter is included, so there is no need to purchase a power adapter separately, because you can find it inside the box. Now, if you don't have a power adapter inside the box, then the next question is if you already have a power adapter or not. If you have a power adapter from your previous smartphone and it has 100 watts or more, then most likely you don't have to actually replace that power adapter and you can use it to charge this phone. In fact, if you have a power adapter that has less than 100 watts, you can still use it. It is still going to be able to charge this phone, but of course I'm mentioning 100 watts because the phone can charge the battery using 100 watts at most. So ideally you want to have 100 watts power adapter or more, just to make sure that you can charge the phone as quickly as possible. And in case you do not have a power adapter from your previous device, then naturally you need to purchase a power adapter to have one for your phone. Or you can use other alternatives like computer car or power banks and so on and so forth. But of course, ideally you want to use a power adapter. And if you already have a power adapter and you are thinking about the upgrade, if you should upgrade to a power adapter and get a better one or a new one for your Xiaomi 17T Pro, then it depends on how much watts you have on that power adapter that you already own. So like I said, ideally you want to get 100 watts for this phone, so if your power adapter has less than that, you can get 100 watts power adapter to be able to charge as quickly as possible. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.